Hello, all my dear students. How are you all? How is going your studies? I hope your studies is going on well. And now let us start the chapter 1, section 3, remaining part, section 3. Let us see what's happening next in this story. One afternoon, walking back home with the icy wind in his face, and incidentally feeling hungrier than he had ever felt before. Charlie's eyes was caught suddenly by something silvery lying in the gutter, in the snow. One afternoon, when he was returning at home, जब वो घर लौट रहा था, with the icy wind in his face, मतलब his face was looking pale and cool. He was feeling hungry. He was feeling hungry. वो भूख लग रही थी उसे, वो भूखा था. And he had ever than he had ever felt before. And जैसा कि उसे पहले से ही लग रहा था, he was very depressed. Charlie's eyes was caught suddenly by something silvery lying in the gutter. Suddenly, when he was walking on the road, जब वो रोड पे चल रहा था, suddenly he noticed suddenly he noticed that something silver colored, something कुछ चीज silver colored, something silver is lying in the gutter is not a bad place. It's just a lower part of the road, side place of the road in the snow. When he was returning at home on the snowish road, he finds something silver color remaining was keeping in the roadside. Part of it was buried under the snow, but he saw at once what it was. It was half buried inside the road. आधा सा जो था ये स्नो में दबा हुआ था. हाफ साइड ऑफ दिस buried inside the snow. आधा ये लगभग दबा हुआ था स्नो में. But he saw it once it was. But he saw it. लेकिन उसने इसे देख लिया था. What was it? It was a 50 pence piece. इट वॉज ए 50 पेंस. क्या होता है? ब्रिटिश पैसा, ब्रिटिश पेंस. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पैसे चलते हैं, 5 पैसे, 10 पैसा, 50 पैसा, 1 रुपीज़, 100 पैसा. लाइक दिस पेंस इज द ब्रिटिश करेंसी. इट वॉज ए 50 पेंस पीस. क्विकली ही लुक्ड अराउंड हिम. जल्द ही उसने ही ऑब्जर्व राउंड हिम. उसने सब तरफ देखा. He looked around of him. उसने चारों तरफ देखा. Had somebody just dropped it? कि क्या किसी का ये गिरा है? No, that was impossible because of the way part of it was buried. That was impossible. It was not possible because of the way part of it was buried. No one was there, or it was impossible because of the way part of this it was buried. Because this the part of the road, ये जो रोड का हिस्सा था, it was buried, ये ढका हुआ था स्नो से. So it was not dropped by any other person. ये किसी ने नहीं गिराया था. Several people went hurrying past him on the pavement. Many people went away in hurrying. Went, gone. Many people went away by this, nearby this, in a hurry in the past on the pavement. इसके पास से होकर कई लोग गुजरे होंगे. Their chins sunk deep in the collars of their coats, and it was very chill, blistering wind type of season, and their chins sunk. They were wears. They worn their overcoats till the chins. उन्होंने अपने perhaps शायद उन्होंने अपनी chins जो थी उन्होंने अपनी ठोड़ी तक अपना काफ़ी लॉन्ग कोट ओवरकोट्स लॉन्ग कॉलर्स वाले पहन रखे थे. देयर फीट क्रंचिंग इन द स्नो एंड देयर फीट टचिंग इन द स्नो. And none of them was searching for any money, and there was no one searching the money, so it was sure no one dropped it there recently. अभी ये किसी के पैसे नहीं गिरे थे. None of them was taking the slightest notice of the small boy. None of them, no one was noticing this small boy, this small kid, and crouching in the gutter, and no one noticed it. He was searching something in the pavement. Then it was this 50 pence. Could he have it? Then can he take this 50 pence? Sorry. Can he keep this 50 pence? Could he have or not? Carefully, Charlie pulled it out from the under the snow. Carefully, he pulled out from the snow, and it was damp and dirty, but otherwise perfect. Really, it was buried inside the snow, so it was dirty and damp, but otherwise it was perfect. हालांकि ये थोड़े ख़राब हो चुके थे क्योंकि स्नो में दबे हुए थे, लेकिन फिर भी ठीक थे. A whole 50 pence. It was completely 50 pence. He held it tightly between his shivering fingers. He caught it very tightly and gazing down at it and watching it inside the hand. It meant one thing to him that moment. Only one thing. It meant food. He was feeling hungrier. Earlier we know that कि उसे भूख लगी थी, वो भूखा था. So that firstly he thought, सबसे पहले उसने सोचा, I should purchase some eatable. इट मीन वन थिंग टू हिम एट मोमेंट. उस समय उसके सामने एक ही बात थी, वो और वो थी केवल. इट मीन फूड. इसका मतलब था खाना, कि उसे कुछ खाने के लिए परचेज करना चाहिए. ऑटोमेटिकली चार्ली टर्न एंड बिगेन मूविंग टुवार्ड्स द नियरेस्ट शॉप. ऑटोमेटिकली, अपने आप से चार्ली मुड़ता है एंड बिगेन मूविंग टुवार्ड्स द नियरेस्ट शॉप. ही मूव टुवार्ड द नियर बाय शॉप. वो एक पास की दुकान पर जाता है. It was only 10 paces away. He could buy one. It was only 10 paces away. Who could buy a delicious bar of chocolate and eat it all up. Every bite of it right then and there. The rest of the money who could take straight back home and give it to his mother. He thought, firstly he will purchase a chocolate. It's all story running around the chocolates. Wonka's chocolate. जैसा कि ये सारी स्टोरी वोंकास चॉकलेट के चारों तरफ घूम रही है. इट वॉज ओनली 10 पैसेज. ये केवल 10 पैसेज में आएगी. एंड ही वुड बाय वन लेशियस यानी होती है वेरी डिलीशियस टेस्टी टाइप ऑफ बार ऑफ चॉकलेट एंड ईट इट ऑल अप. ही थॉट, फर्स्टली आई विल परचेज अ वेरी डिलीशियस टेस्टी चॉकलेट एंड आई विल ईट इट, enjoy it, and every bite of it I will enjoy the every bite. हर पीस, हर इसकी हर पीस को मैं इंजॉय करूँगा, हर स्वाद को इंजॉय करूँगा. राइट दैन देयर एंड आफ्टर दैट रेस्ट ऑफ द मनी, बचे हुए पैसे, आई वुड टेक स्ट्रेट बैक होम एंड गिव इट टू हिज मदर. एंड रिमेनिंग मनी आई विल गिव टू माई मदर. और बचे हुए पैसों को मैं अपनी मदर को दूंगा. चार्ली एंटर्ड द शॉप. चार्ली शॉप पर जाते हैं. वन वोंकाज वेपल स्क्रम्चियस फ्यूज मैलो डिलाइट. ही डिमांड, ही परचेज. ही सैड, वो कहता है, वन वोंकाज वेपल स्क्रिम. इट्स द नेम ऑफ द चॉकलेट. जैसे हमारे यहाँ डेयरी मिल्क है, फीस्ट है, एनी अदर टाइप ऑफ अमूल चॉकलेट, डिलीशियस चॉकलेट्स, मिल्क बार, दैट्स टाइप ऑफ वोंकाज वेपल स्क्रम्स फ्यूज मैलो डिलाइट. ही सैड, रिमेनिंग हाउ मच ही हैड लव्ड द वन ही हैड ऑन हिज बर्थडे. ही परचेज वन वोंकाज चॉकलेट एंड उसे याद है हाउ मच ही हैड लव्ड, उसे कितना प्यार था इस चॉकलेट से. एंड ही हैड वन ओनली वन ही हैड ऑन हिज बर्थडे. और उसे ये एक ही मिलती है अपने जन्मदिन पर. द मैन बिहाइंड द काउंटर हैंडेड इट टू चार्ली. द मैन हु वॉज बिहाइंड इट ऑफ द काउंटर, ही गिव इट टू दिस चॉकलेट. Charlie grabbed it and quickly tore off the wrapper and took an enormous bite. Very quickly grabbed it, torn it. उसने इसे लिया और जल्दी ही grabbed it यानी फाड़ना, and torn इसे उसने फाड़ा, and quickly tore off उसने इसे तोड़ा, and उसने he opened the wrapper, he torn off the wrapper, उसने wrapper को फाड़ा, and took an enormous bite. It took a delicious, tasty, joyful bite. उसने ये delicious, tasty, enormous bite ली. Then he took another, उसने next bite ली, and another, and like it he take the joy of being able to cream large piece of something sweet and solid into one's mouth. So he was enjoying the chocolate. He was eating every bite very joyfully, and aroma of the chocolate and enormous यानी enjoy किसी चीज़ को बहुत आनंद पूर्वक करना, joyfully, that is the joy and joy of being able. And he was taking the enjoy of the chocolate in every bite. He was feeling very happy, joy, and the joy of being able to cream large piece of something sweet and solid one's mouth. And he was feeling very sweet and delicious in his mouth with every bite of this chocolate. So now you look like you wanted that once, Sonny. The shopkeeper said pleasantly. Shopkeeper came to know that the child is liked it very much because the Charlie was enjoying very much with this every bite of the chocolate. So now the shopkeeper came to know he liked it very much and asked him again. और वो फिर उससे पूछता है, you like You look like you wanted that one, Sunny. You want to one more. You are looking like you want to purchase that one more, the shopkeeper said pleasantly. उसने फिर शॉपकीपर ने उससे बड़े प्लीजेंटली वे में पूछा, वुड यू लाइक टेक समथिंग वन एल्स, क्या तुम्हें एक और चाहिए? चार्ली नोडेड हिज माउथ ब्लगिंग विथ चॉकलेट। चार्ली फिल्ड हिज माउथ विद द चॉकलेट। चार्ली का माउथ जो था चॉकलेट से भरा हुआ था। ब्लगिंग यानी फुल, ठूसा हुआ, भरा हुआ, फुल स्टफिंग। द शॉपकीपर पुट चार्लीज चेंज ऑन द काउंटर। The shopkeeper gave him change on the counter and take it easy. He said, "You enjoy easily, and it will give you a tummy ache if you swallow it like the without chewing." Then, when the shopkeeper came to know he is enjoying a big bite of the chocolate and he has stuffed his mouth is stuffed completely with the creamy chocolate, he advised him. वो उसे कहता है, hear about it. And now, take it easy. Don't be glutton with it. इतने ज़्यादा glutton मत बनो. It will give you a tummy ache. ये इससे तुम्हें पेट दर्द हो जाएगा. tummy ache यानी पेट में दर्द होना. It will give you, ये तुम्हें पेट दर्द देगा if you swallow it like without chewing. If you swallow यानी निगलना. यदि तुम इसे गटक जाओगे या निगल जाओगे बिना chewing किए तो ये आपके पेट में दर्द करेगा. It will give you a stomach ache. It will give you a tummy ache. इससे पेट दुखेगा. If you glutton it without chewing it. If you glutton it without chewing it, it will give you a tummy ache. So that firstly chewing it properly and take the enjoy of the chocolate. In less than half a minute, आधे मिनट से भी कम टाइम में, the whole chocolate had disappeared down his throat. He gluttoned whole chocolate because he was very much liked this chocolate, so that he gluttoned completely within a half minute. Within a less than half a minute. आधे मिनट से भी कम टाइम में उसने पूरी चॉकलेट को ले लिया था. डाउन हिज थ्रोट, गले से निगल लिया था. He was quite out of breath, but he felt marvelously, extraordinarily happy. He was not able to take breath properly. अब उसे सांस भी अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा था. But he felt very marvelous. उसे बहुत ही आनंदित महसूस हो रहा था. Extraordinarily happy. He was extremely happy. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था. He reached out a hand to take the change. He took the change in his hand. Then he paused. तभी वो रुकता है. The coins were all 5 penny pieces. अब जो थे उसके पास 5 pieces. The coins were all 5 penny pieces. There were 9 of them all together. अब उसके पास जो coins थे वो 5 pennies थी. There were 9 of them all together. Surely it wouldn't be matter if he spent just one more. और कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर वो एक पाइन और spend कर लेगा. He thought, can I spend a 1 pen more? It was not unbearable, and it nothing a matter if I spend one more. इससे कुछ नहीं होगा अगर मैंने एक और खर्च कर लिया. I think, he said quietly, I think I'll just now one more of those chocolate bars. He just want to purchase one more. उसने फिर सोचा और said, और वो कहता है, I think I'll have just one more of those chocolate bars. मुझे एक chocolate bar और चाहिए. The same kind of before, और पहले वाली ही please. He said to shopkeeper, and shopkeeper already asked him without his expressions. He liked it very much, so shopkeeper already know it. He will purchase one again. So that he said, why not? The shopkeeper said. Shopkeeper ने कहा, बिल्कुल क्यों नहीं. Taking another Whipple scrumptious fudge mallow delight from the shelf, he took again this chocolate and gave it to the Charlie. He laid it on the counter. उसने इसे काउंटर पे रख दी. Charlie picked it up. Charlie ने इसे उठाई and tore up the wrapper. इसका रैपर खोला. And suddenly, what will be happen? What's running in your mind? Exactly. If you are thinking he'll going to find a ticket right now, see what happening in the story. See, from underneath the wrapper, और उसी समय रैपर के नीचे से देयर केम अ ब्रिलियंट फ्लैश ऑफ गोल्ड, एक चमकता हुआ गोल्ड बाहर आता है, अ ब्रिलियंट फ्लैश ऑफ गोल्ड, गोल्डन कलर की रोशनी बाहर आती है। चार्लीज हार्ट स्टूड स्टिल, चार्ली का दिल बैठ सा रहा था, एकदम धक सा रह गया। इट्स अ गोल्डन टिकट, वाह ये वही गोल्डन टिकट है। स्क्राइम शाउटेड द शॉपकीपर, शॉपकीपर चिल्लाता है। लीपिंग अबाउट ए फुट इन द एयर, वो उसे अपनी बाहों में अपने गोद में उठा लेता है। यू हैव गॉट ए गोल्डन टिकट, तुम्हें मिला है वो गोल्डन टिकट। यू हैव गॉट ए, तुम्हें एक गोल्डन टिकट मिला है। वी हैव फाउंड द लास्ट गोल्डन टिकट, तुम्हें वो आखिरी गोल्डन टिकट मिला है। हे वुड यू बिलीव इट, क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? कम बैक एट दिस, कम एंड लुक एट दिस, आओ और देखो इसे। एवरीबडी आओ देखो, एवरीवन सी ही फाउंड दिस लास्ट गोल्डन टिकट। द किड्स फाउंड वोंकाज लास्ट गोल्डन टिकट, देखो इस बच्चे को मिला है लास्ट गोल्डन टिकट। देयर इट इज, इट्स राइट हेयर इन हिज हैंड, जो कि अभी इसके हाथ में है। नाउ द चार्ली वॉज हैप्पी, ही वॉज एबल टू सी द फैक्ट्री एंड नाउ ही फाइंड द गोल्डन टिकट। थैंक यू।